Hello there. In this quick video, let me quickly show you how you can change your smoke alarm or smoke detector's battery. It's quick and easy. Normally the battery will come for 6 months, or that's a normal period where we can change for the battery, or when it started tripping down you will hear a sound like this. Then it's time. There are various types of smoke detectors or smoke alarms available, but most of the alarms will go with a flat type 9-volt battery. In case if your smoke alarm is a different model, probably you may need to get the right battery. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. Alright, I just bought this Duracell 2-pack, but I'm going to take only one from this. And in the battery, if you look, there are two ends. One is a positive end, as you see this plus logo, and the another one is a negative end. And the plus logo will go with a smaller connector, and the minus side will go with a larger connector. In the smoke detector, if you look, I'm going to show you shortly. In the smoke detector, similar to that, there will be two ends. So the smaller end should go with the same positive side, and the negative side should go with the larger one. Let me quickly show you how you can put into that. To put the new batteries, you don't need to turn it off or any kind of a circuit breaker thing. You can directly do it in the smoke detector system. Most of the smoke detectors, there will be a small latch will be here. Just open it and you can see the old battery here. All you have to do just to take out the old battery, and if it is a little tight, give a little wiggle and take that out. Okay, this is the old battery. And when you are putting the new battery, just make sure the smaller and the larger connectors goes in the same direction.